We've been operating in this site in Sri Lanka for the last 4 years, and I'm very confident in continuing my investment here. We've been happy with the support that we've received from the government and from BOI. I have seen throughout the pandemic a lot of facilitation to enable us to keep on operating and keep on exporting. And even now during the financial crisis that we're facing, we have had a lot of facilitation from BOI to continue our operations and keep the production going. So BOI has directly intervened and enabled us to operate, and they have provided us the means by which we could keep our facility operating at maximum capacity. So I do see the current situation as an opportunity for Sri Lanka to actually become more competitive globally. We are going to continue to expand. I still find it's a nice environment for my family and my children to live, who have been with me here in Sri Lanka for many years now. Colombo is a nice modern city with a lot of modern conveniences that any expat can comfortably and happily live here. As you can see here, we're manufacturing sweaters, and we have a very advanced and technologically complicated equipment, and I've been very happy with our ability to be able to source a workforce that is skilled in how to manage and operate these machines, and of course how to give the electronics support as well. So the workforce in Sri Lanka is very skilled, English speaking, and trainable. So I have been able to train them well in our business and how to operate our business.
Kelun Lifesciences is Sri Lanka's first and the largest sterile liquid manufacturing facility situated in Pallekele BOI. We manufacture life-saving drugs such as saline, dextrose and Hartmann solution, and we supply to the medical supply division of Sri Lanka. We are already accredited with NMRA GMP, WHO GMP, ISO 9001, ISO 45001 and ISO 14001. We are already backed by the prestigious BOI. With that support and with that guidance, we are going to start our R&D facility where we can fight, where we can compete with world pharmaceutical giants. So we are requesting and we are encouraging everybody to invest here. Let's be with us and let's do some good in this country. Kelun Lifesciences is Sri Lanka's first and the largest sterile liquid manufacturing facility situated in Pallekele BOI. We manufacture life-saving drugs such as saline, dextrose and Hartmann solution, and we supply to the medical supply division of Sri Lanka. We are already accredited with NMRA GMP, WHO GMP, ISO 9001, ISO 45001 and ISO 14001. We are already backed by the prestigious BOI. With that support and with that guidance, we are going to start our R&D facility where we can fight, where we can compete with world pharmaceutical giants. So we are requesting and we are encouraging everybody to invest here. Let's be with us and let's do some good in this country.
Retec Private Limited is part of Continental Tires and belongs to Continental AG of Germany, which is a 40 billion euro group turnover conglomerate. We manufacture solid tires for material handling and earth-moving industry. We are part of BOI and we export to 52 countries worldwide. Continental in Sri Lanka has been investing steadily over the years, and the first spate of investment has added around 40% to the capacity, and in the next spate of investment we would be adding another 19%. We are extremely grateful and thankful to BOI for all the help and support that they've provided over the years. We have plans of further investment, but that would all depend on how the environment develops in the days to come. We engage around 558 employees, which is a trainable workforce. We try to do internal trainings and also expose people to Plastic and Rubber Institute and also engage people from the Polymer Science University.
Noean established in year 2004 as a joint venture partnership. We have been in operation almost 18 years as a BOI organization from the inception. I must highlight here the support rendered by BOI by providing the necessary infrastructure, utility requirements such as electricity, water and effluent treatment facilities to run an efficient operation while safeguarding our people and assets. In this difficult time, BOI continuously facilitates us with necessary approvals, guidance and information to run an uninterrupted operation. It helps us to honor our customer commitments and safeguard the interest of our stakeholders.
I'm Austin Au, the Managing Director of Ocean Lanka. Ocean Lanka is a well-needed fabric manufacturer running industry zone under the management of BOI. We start our operation in 1996, 26 years ago. At the beginning, our scale is very small, about less than 10,000 pounds per day, and just less than 100 people working with us. Now we have expanded up to the 100,000 pounds per day, 10 times more than before. And 2,000 workers is working with us. So we are very happy with the support of BOI to help us to grow from a very small scale up to now, and also produce the fabrics to the government and manufacturers in this country to support their export to the end buyers all over the world. Now the business is doing with the US buyer, UK, Europe, Canada, Japan, Australia, to serve the brand like Victoria's Secret, Marks & Spencer, NYX, Nike, Puma, Uniqlo's, and all these brands are our customers. I start to work in the company in 2002, so it is about 20 years now. I have my family with me in here. My 3 children, they are also born in here, and now they are studying in here. They are very happy to live in the country. They make friends in the countries because the country is have a lot of beautiful spot compared with Hong Kong. We come from Hong Kong. There's a lot of the concrete building. Here there's no pollution. The air, the countryside is very nice. Even with the recent economic crisis, political crisis, we still have confidence that we can continue our operation without any problem. My Hong Kong investor, they also have confidence, can continue the operation. We think this is just a little bit drawback. So with the effort of the people in here, and then we work all together, we are confident we can overcome the difficulties now, and we can once again to continue our operation. So we have a very confidence in the textile industries, and then they will only become stronger and stronger in Sri Lanka under the support and management of BOI. Thank you.
My company, Lanka Harnes Private Limited, started in 2002, 100% Japanese investment. And the core products of our company are the manufacture of impact sensors for automobile airbags, and also the seatbelt switch and the wire harness that is attached to it. And the uniqueness of the product that I do is its quality requirement, which is called 1 ppm quality. That means 1 part per million is the defect tolerance rate. And that is the highest level of quality anywhere in the world. And we have not only managed to achieve that quality 2 decades ago, we have been able to sustain that quality for the past 2 decades. And also the products that I manufacture, the end users include almost all the big brands in Japan, such as Toyota, Honda, Mitsubishi, Mazda, and so on. In Europe, Volvo, Saab, and BMW. And in USA, General Motors, Ford, and Chrysler. Sri Lanka has gone through many turbulences during the recent past. But whatever turbulences that we have been through, our outward exports has been 100% on time. And I have to thank especially the institutes such as the BOI for facilitating us, working 24/7 to ensure that our exports are 100% on time. So taking into consideration all these facts, I think when it comes to manufacturing, Sri Lanka certainly is the best destination that you can look forward to.